It's never been used before. A message sent simultaneously to every cell phone in America as part of a presidential alert system. And President Trump has plans to test it soon. These presidential alerts can be used only for national emergencies.
And the president is the only person who can determine when the alerts are issued. Testing will happen in just a couple of weeks. John Shumway has more.
It's the kind of system the country hopes it never needs, but critical if it must be activated.
In the time of a national emergency.
With virtually all of us walking around with a phone these days, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, has joined with the wireless carriers, so
it's just an opportunity for FEMA, who's really behind this, to test that system nationwide.
To see if we can all be reached at once. It's called a presidential alert and would work the same way local emergency management sends messages about a threat near you. Chief Brown suggests, for example, if there was a dam in jeopardy.
But something that's that imminent that we need to push that out instantly.
There are three types of alerts: imminent threat, Amber Alert, and a presidential alert.
I don't really like the president, so I don't want any messages from him on my phone.
I'll probably disable it.
Well, you can try, but going through the disabling process on your phone will not opt you out of a presidential alert. It still will come through.
I think they can be useful, so I think it's a pretty good idea.
I think the test is a good idea. I don't see why it wouldn't be.
And when I explained it to Adriana Robinson,
I like getting emergency alerts, like flooding alerts to my phone and stuff like that. I do appreciate that. So if there's emergency, I'd like it to come to my phone.
the wireless emergency system has never been tested on our phones nationwide. So Thursday was going to be a first. But late today, FEMA put out the word that because of the ongoing Florence emergency response, the test will now be on October the 3rd. The message, when it does come, will not cost you anything. This system has never been tested nationwide, and this Thursday's test was going to be a first. However, because of the ongoing Florence emergency going on in the Carolinas, the test has now been pushed back till October the 3rd. John Shumway, KDKA TV News.